We're going to learn how to insert a table. How we do that is we go to the Insert tab and we click on the Tables group, the Tables icon. There are various methods of inserting a table. The first is to put your mouse cursor over the blocks to indicate how many columns and rows that you would like. Now I'm going to show you how to insert and how to delete rows and columns. So you go to the appropriate column or row and you right click. Now to insert, you click on Insert. You can insert columns to the left, columns to the right, columns above and columns below, as well as insert cells. And that does specifically what it says. So I'm going to insert rows above. Now to delete, you go to Delete Cells, and there are various options. Shift cells left, shift cells up, delete entire row or delete entire column. So I'm then going to delete that extra row. Now how to delete the table is you highlight the table, you right click and you select Delete Table. Now the next method of inserting a table is you click on Insert Table. Here you physically determine how many columns or rows that you would like. I'm going to select 6 columns and 3 rows. And there are various auto-fit behavior options. The first is Fixed Column Width, and you can determine the width of the column in centimeters. You can auto-fit to contents as well as auto-fit to window. I'm going to select auto-fit to window and click OK, and my table has appeared. I'm just going to recap on how to insert rows and how to insert columns and delete them. So we right click on the table, we go to Insert, insert columns to the left, and there another column appears. Now to delete, I can click on Delete Cells, delete entire column. The next thing we're going to deal with is how to draw a table. So I'm going to delete this table by right clicking and selecting Delete Table. Then I click on the table icon and I select Draw Table, and a little pencil appears. So I can draw out the table. And you can also use an eraser if you make a mistake to erase a specific part or the entire table. So I'm going to erase the entire table. We can also insert quick tables, so they're built-in tables for your convenience. So there are various calendars and tables that you can select from. As you can see, this is a built-in table. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now the last option I'd like to show you is how to insert an Excel spreadsheet. And this has the same functionality as an Excel spreadsheet, as it would appear in Excel. By way of example, I'm going to insert some numbers in the rows. I'm going to do sum function. And as you can see, it works the same as it would in Excel. And that is how you insert and work with tables in a Word document.